Yeah, nigga. I feel great. I feel good. I want to slide out with you wood. So you got drop on slide with you wood.
What's good, y'all, man? As y'all can see, y'all can tell by my face, it's early morning, bro. You feel me? It's 8:30 in the morning. You feel me? We about to head to the city, bro. Back to the city, man. Feel me? I got the stars in the trunk. I gotta show y'all that. The whole point of this video, I gotta show y'all that. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all new. Like, comment, feel me? All that. I know I probably sound weird. I am a little sick, bro. But I got better over the time. But we finna literally go to the city right now. It is far, so we gotta leave early, bro. And I'm kinda still tired, but we finna go to the city right now. I don't know what they doing, but we finna go to the city. Oh, we ready. About to go to the city right now. And yeah, they following us. See, we got somebody, my girl behind me. We're about to go to the city. I was trying to beat the rain, bro, but obviously I can't do that. But yeah, about to go to the city right now. Feel me? It's early morning. I don't even feel like talking. I'm sick. I'm just irritated. But I'm ready to go. I just really didn't want to drive in the rain, but it's whatever, bro. But yeah, get with y'all in a second.
One eternity later.
Alright, y'all, we ain't here that made it all the way here, man. My jump probably went up something crazy. Let me see. 15.9, that ain't bad. I was at like 11 miles per gallon. I'm like, damn, it's bad. But yeah, I'm about to pull up to the crib, change right quick, you feel me? Now I'm about to go to my man's crib, and then we about to gonna do the stars for me, feel me? And yeah, we gonna get it going. I'm gonna get with y'all when I'm on the way to his crib, pull up to his crib, man. All right, y'all, man, we got here. We got the stars, feel me? Everybody out here. It's crazy. We about to do the stars. We about to, like K in here dropping this bitch. Oh. Damn, I need to go this report. Fucking bowl in here. Dropping this bitch. You damn near gotta break this bitch like playing with fucking Legos. You gotta break this shit all apart. Sure. What the fuck? Oh, putting it back in hard? I need K breaking this bitch down. Yeah. This shit ain't never been taken off before. Since it been put on. I just came through. Oh, we got cats. We know that. But yeah, man, we got the stars. All 800. We about to wire it in. Get it going.
Going on this
shit, so we done came back. I think Kaden got this busy. I think say this shit will be done in a minute. Damn. Oh, this the name right here? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's enough stars though.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna stretch all that shit out.
They gonna be over here too?
Mm-hmm. See, I did the front right there.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
One like that on this side.
Shit. Oh yeah. All up in here too. What up, bro? You good?
It's gonna be hard because this got your name got his own cord type shit. So the color of your name and around this gonna be the same color type shit.
Type shit.
That shit gonna be crazy.
Yeah. You gonna wire it in? Like not wire it, but like what's the shit called? Yes, wire it in. I'm straight on that shit. Damn.
Later that night.
Alright, y'all, man. It's later on in the night time. You feel me? Look at the star. Oh my god, this shit gonna look crazy. Oh, look at this, y'all. Oh. I can't really see too much, but y'all see all them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We about to do this, about to wire it up right now. Feel me? Kaden got it all done. We finna wire it. This about to look crazy. Y'all don't even know what this about to be. This is crazy. About to wire it up right quick. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all later. This will look crazy. This is about to be crazy. 2 seconds, about to wire it up. Alright, y'all, man. Y'all see, we done finally finished. I done hit the road. It's upside, well, for y'all it's upside down because y'all probably can't see it from that way. But from my way looking up, for me, it looks straight. You got the stars all around. Dion got fans in the ceiling. Feel me? This junk look crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Off the SRT, nah, this junk look crazy. Oh, I'm on the way home. Y'all see this freaking 1 o'clock in the morning, bro. We just got done. I'm on the way to the crib, bro. It's raining too. I can't even give y'all no little pool in it, man. You feel me? We got the stars done. Finally, this junk look crazy. But I'm finna go to the crib right now. I'm gonna catch y'all
the next day.
How it look first time in the stars. Oh, that junk look crazy. In a wash though. First wash with the stars in here. That's crazy. I gotta figure out how to change it. That's how it comes. It's the next day, obviously. You like the stars? In the garage right now. What I'm about to say? It's been raining. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's been raining so much, bro. It finally didn't rain today. And I get to finally show y'all. I'm in the garage right now, but I don't know. Yeah. I just thought I had to read it from that way. But this don't look crazy. This don't look crazy. Boy, if you don't get that don't look amazing. Pink is probably gonna stay on this color. But yeah, y'all. For this, we about to y'all thought it was gonna be the end of the video, but then we going to Buff X once we get back from the mall. Feel me? And yeah, I really just wanted to sit in here. Let me close it up. I really just wanted to sit in here and just I got stars. This gonna look crazy. Damn. But yeah, I'm waiting on her to get here now. Finna go to the mall. And yeah. Get with y'all when she pull up. Alright, y'all, man. Right now, y'all see we eat. Y'all can't even see the stars. Can y'all see them? Oh yeah, a little bit. But yeah, we on the way to Buffet right now. See me on the way up there. I'm trying to hurry up and get up there. I ain't gonna lie. A little far. And it's South. Man, Southfield wanna have traffic. Look at this. Ooh. And look at all these lights. I don't be understanding this, bro. I really don't, bro. If everybody move at like 1 speed and just keep going, it's like, how can it be traffic? But I don't know. Shit is retarded. But we on the way up there right now to get my badge fixed. I don't know why it only changed to white. It only stay white, bro. It don't even change colors for some reason. So I gotta get that fixed or get another one or something like that. So finna be up there on the way up there now. Be like 15 minutes away. Get with y'all when I get up there. Alright, y'all, we just made it to the let me show y'all this, bro. Let me show y'all this so y'all can see this. Right now, y'all can see it's white, bro, and I can't change it. So, I'm gonna go in here, see what they talking about. Alright, y'all, I guess it's not me, but I just went in there and did it with the same, the same thing. The same one, and I scanned it and it worked. I don't know. So I'm trying to figure out why mine ain't popping up. Because this one, when I just went in there and tried to scan all them, it popped up for all of them. And then when I just came out here to do mine, it didn't pop up. So we got to see. I don't know. It's download. I just deleted the app and about to download it back to see what's about to happen, bro. But it's irritating. Cause they don't even got no more SRT ones. So it's like, it's either a ScatPack one, bro. I'm not doing that shit. I got to keep my SRT. Okay. Or I need a new SRT. Not bad, but about to see right now, bro. All right, y'all. So my baby Sam said he got me. They were sold out, so he gonna just give me another one, I guess, or trade it out. I hope he see this. Tag Sam, make sure he see this. You said you gonna give me another badge. Look what you gave me, Sam. It only turned white. So when you see this, remember, you owe me a badge. Trade. My baby, I love him. But yeah, all right. Since we got that taken care of, can just go right around, I guess. Yeah. All right, y'all, man. So that's gonna end the video here. I hope y'all enjoy. You feel me? I came, got the star lights. Y'all came with me, got the stars. You feel me? I just need this light on just for a little light, but feel me? Got the stars. Just show y'all. Oh, it's the other way. Feel me? But yeah, it's gonna end the video here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all new. I appreciate y'all. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see. Just give me some ideas. Put them in the comments, bro. I'll do anything. We can do all the videos. Feel me? Let's get it going. I appreciate y'all, and I'm out. Peace.
Nigga, how you feel, nigga? I feel great. I feel good. I'm gonna slide out with you would. So you gotta drop on slide with you would.